us. Andy Martin is a great guy, Senior Director of Manufacturing for a company many of you are familiar with, a company called Generac, founded all the way back in 1959, huge manufacturer of home standby generators, light towers, trailer-mounted generators, and so on. And we asked him, what are the benefits to Generac of investments, not just in SACA, but in Industry 4.0 technology within their plant? But here's what Andy had to tell us.
So over the years, Generac's seen a lot of growth, especially over the last couple of years. The growth has really been unforeseen. So as we look at adding capability and capacity to our facilities, we've been looking at automation for many reasons. So some is the growth, some is also with the challenging workforce these days and the ability to find people. We're looking at automation to help us get more out with maybe more efficient processes, and then we can tie safety and quality in that as well. So we're looking to with the higher volumes, looking at how we make safer processes through automation, as well as improving the quality of our products. So as most of you know, as you implement automation, you tend to find all the variation in your parts and process and products. So we're looking, as we implement automation, as that opportunity to improve the quality of our products as well.